In this short video we will cover grouping rows and columns in Microsoft Excel. Grouping allows you to collapse and expand sets of rows and columns, which can help users to easily hide or display grouped information. To do this, simply highlight the rows or columns you want to group together. Click the Data tab, and then click Group. You should see there is now a minus icon on the left of the last row number that was grouped. Clicking this will collapse that group of rows. To expand the group of rows, click the plus icon. Although this is a simple feature in Excel, it can be useful to organize and segment information into relevant groups. For example, here we have an onboarding process checklist for the imaginary mortgage company. They have an onboarding process split into 3 parts, and each of those parts has a breakdown of steps. Here we can use grouping to efficiently organize the steps into their hierarchy and make it easy for a user to visualize the segmented process. Grouping columns works in the exact same way as grouping rows. Just highlight the columns and click Group within the Data tab. In this example, we have a basic target tracking spreadsheet that allows the company to compare its current targets with previous years. By grouping the quarters of a year together, it allows easy comparison of data across different years. Thank you for watching. If you learned something new or refreshed your existing knowledge, please consider liking this video and subscribing to the channel for more tips and tricks.